So now I'm cooking fish with vinegar. I clean the fish and cutting in small pieces and transfer them in cooking pan, adding a sliced tomato, a few slices of red pepper, lots of ginger, minced garlic, slice of onion. Ready to add all of the seasoning. I use rock salt, ground pepper, of course a magic syrup. Ready to add the vinegar until filling up in level. Small amount of cooking oil and a soy sauce. Simmer to cook until ready. Then this is the result now. This is cooked now and ready to serve. Of course, serve with the rice. And adding a sour sauce. Let's eat.